Netflix's new show, The Three-Body Problem, based on Lewis Sisson's books and by the people who made the Game of Thrones, really digs into the science part of science fiction. The Three-Body Problem tosses some tricky ideas from quantum physics, space science at its viewers as it tries to make these tough concepts more understandable. The show is all about scientists trying to crack a huge mystery that stretches across time, place, and even space. So what is actually the three-body problem? And why can't we figure it out yet? A physics professor, Jonathan Blazek at Northeastern University, tells us that when we have two celestial objects in space pulling on each other with gravity, like stars or planets, we can predict their motion using Kepler's laws and Newton's laws of motion. This is called a two-body problem and we have already solved it. But throw in a third object and everything gets way more complicated. The three-body problem means if you have three things in space pulling on each other, exerting gravitational pull on each other, then we don't have a general solution to define their motion and to define what will be their position in space at a particular time. Because then this becomes a chaotic system, and in a chaotic system, even minor changes can lead to wildly different outcomes, and the future can become really unpredictable. In the show, The Three-Body Problem, we see that there are aliens living in a solar system which has not one, not two, but three suns. With all the three suns pulling each other, it messes up their solar system, tossing the three suns all around, all throughout the years. And for these aliens, called trisolarans in the books and Santi in the show, this means that their planet can either freeze or burn up without any warning because of these wild movements which cannot be predicted. For a long time, experts have wondered if there is a way to figure out a stable start for three things in space that would let us predict their paths. We still haven't found a solution that works in real life, though some new ideas are starting to pop up now, like ones inspired by the idea of how drunk people would move. Blazek says that if we want to guess that how a three-planet solar system would do, then we can put all the planets and the known asteroids into a computer program or simulation and calculate the forces to see how everything moves. This sort of works, but it's not perfect. And eventually, our predictions won't be right anymore. But here's the catch. The three-object systems are in fact more common in space. I mean, just look at our solar system. The way the Sun, Earth, and Moon relate is actually a three-body system. But Blazek mentions that because the Sun's pull on Earth and Earth's pull on Moon is so strong, it's more like two object systems with stable paths, at least for now. Now, while our solar system seems steady, there is no promise that it will stay that way forever because there are many objects affecting each other. Even a small event like an asteroid hitting one of Jupiter's moons could lead to very big changes over time. Well, this doesn't mean that we will face a disaster like Santi have to face in the three-body problem, because these shifts take a really long time. So nothing dramatic is going to happen in our lifetime or even the lifespan of humanity. We have other more immediate issues than our solar system instability. But if you think about billions of years, we can't be sure that things in space would stay the same way as they are now. There is a chance for some shakeups that could actually change our solar system's look as well.